welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share you a review about my favorite foundation so far from Elianto. Someone recommended me this product from Elianto and I just want to make a review about it. And I've tried for a few times and it really makes my face long lasting with this makeup without even need to touch up for a day. And that's work on me, and I'm not sure if it's work on you or not, but you can try it out. And what I want to say is that I love this foundation because this foundation is very high coverage for me, and I don't even need to set my makeup in any powder. As you can see this now, yeah, I don't use any powder, just this foundation, and it really works for me. And as for that this foundation, you just need a small amount of it. They give you a spatula and you take it out, just a small amount of it, just like a bit. I will show you how later, and you gonna see how the only small amount of this foundation gonna cover all your face. I have pimples everywhere, here and there, but now as you can see I can manage to cover it all just using this foundation, and I love this so much. This will be my favorite foundation from now on. Okay, so now I'm gonna use the foundation from Elianto Perfect Cover Fixing Cream, and I heard that this is the foundation that very good with the coverage. And let's see how, because I have some scars here and I got all this pimple on my forehead, and let's see how it can help me to cover up all these things, all these flaws. So this is a thick foundation and in a jar, and they give us the spatula actually to take it from this jar. So I show you how thick it is, and you just need to take just a little small amount of it, just like this, and you can cover all your face nicely, perfectly, like they claim it as a perfect cover fixing cream. I'm gonna put this just a little bit foundation on my face, okay? Just see how. Why you want to cover it? Of course, on my pimples. Small. Can you believe that this just small amount can cover all your face and your flaws? I don't want to waste it, so I try to take off from this spatula. I don't want to waste any of it if I can. I'm gonna use my brush for blend all this foundation. Let's see how it works. Oh my god. Okay, I prefer using this brush instead of beauty blender because for me I think beauty blender is absorbing my pricey foundation and it's such a waste sometimes, so I prefer brush because oh my god, can you see how I can cover my pimples? Put it here. So this is oh my god, OMG, can you see this thing work? How the foundation really works on my face, and amazingly I don't have to put the setting powder because it is just okay like this. Yeah, I got two more here and here, but I can make it fade a bit by putting more, but at least it's still there, right? Okay, this foundation that I bought and I use is very good for coverage if you want more coverage, and I can say that I love this Elianto foundation more than the Maybelline Fit Me foundation that I also use it because this one give me more coverage better than this one can give me. Yeah. Okay, so now did I finish it with my makeup? No, not yet. Ta-da! Ta-da! So this is what I get for this foundation, and lastly I will use this also Elianto lip tint. Just I use it for the eye base or for my eye shadow, and I'm also gonna use this lip tint for my blusher and my lip because I really love this lip tint. It smells so good for me, and of course the color is, I love this color, so I'm gonna put this on my lips now. So now I'm done for this look. As you know that this foundation is quite thick, I will show you the consistency is quite thick because, well, it's a foundation, it's not a BB or CC or DD, but it's a foundation and managed to do a high coverage on your face, so it's quite dry. Then what I suggest to you is that you have to put a bit more than usual moisturizer before you put makeup foundation on your face. And this foundation also doesn't make me look cakey, and it's very just nice on my face, and I really love it. Have to try it out. And yeah, this is Elianto product. I purchased it for like I don't remember, but the price is affordable, but well, it's affordable and it's very suitable for my skin. It doesn't oxidize when I wear it after a long hour, and it still looks the same on me, and doesn't make me feel like oily or whatsoever. And because if it really will feel like dry on your face, and you can put this face mist on your face, just spray it like this. Feels so fresh. The face X Moist regenerating face mist from Elianto, I love this also. And so as for the foundation review for Elianto, I think so far this is the best product foundation for me, okay. And I'm not sure if it suits you or not, but if you have a combination skin like mine, I think it can suits you well, and you can get along with it as well. Like, I love it. Okay, so as you have watched my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch for my next videos with a lot of ideas or reviews I will do later. And please hit the buttons like as below. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video, and have a nice day.